Welcome, beautiful soul. Today, we step into a sacred space of healing. In this moment, allow yourself to slow down, breathe deeply, and reconnect with the powerful force of renewal within you. As you listen to these affirmations, open your heart and let each word nurture your spirit. You deserve to heal. You are worthy of peace. You are ready. Let's begin. I allow myself to heal. My body knows how to restore itself naturally. I trust the process of my healing journey. I am patient and gentle with myself. I release what no longer serves me. Every breath I take fills me with healing energy. I'm open to emotional and physical restoration. It is safe for me to let go and move forward. I forgive myself and others with ease. My heart is healing more and more every day. I honor the pace of my own healing. I'm whole even as I heal. I welcome love, peace, and balance into my life. I choose to release fear and embrace trust. Healing is my natural state. I nourish my mind, body, and soul with kindness. Each moment is an opportunity for growth. I deserve to feel good and vibrant. My past does not define my future. I allow joy to enter every part of my being. I am worthy of complete healing. I embrace my imperfections with love. My inner light shines brighter every day. I am strong, resilient, and powerful. I choose peace over pain. I surrender to the flow of life. I am grounded, safe, and secure. My journey is unfolding perfectly. I speak to myself with compassion. I trust that everything is working out for my highest good. I release resistance and allow healing to flow. My mind is calm. My heart is at ease. I give myself permission to thrive. I'm connected to a limitless source of healing energy. My emotions are valid and sacred. It is safe for me to feel and heal. I celebrate how far I have come. I honor the strength it takes to heal. I am free from the weight of my past. My soul is in perfect alignment with healing. I find beauty in every part of my journey. I am constantly becoming a better version of myself. I choose to believe in my own power. I'm surrounded by love and light. I lovingly release all guilt and shame. I open my heart to new beginnings. I trust myself to heal fully. Every part of me is worthy of love. I'm deeply rooted in peace. I let go of control and trust the unfolding. My life is a reflection of my healing. I embrace the rhythm of my own growth. I'm grateful for my body's wisdom. I find strength in vulnerability. I give myself space and grace to heal. Each cell of my body vibrates with vitality. I am safe to rebuild and rise again. Healing is my gift and my right. I release fear, doubt, and negativity. I am a magnet for positive healing energy. Every breath I take restores and revitalizes me. I honor the lessons from my pain. I am compassionate with my healing journey. Love flows freely through me. I shine brighter with every healed wound. I embrace a future filled with hope and possibility. I am proud of the progress I make each day. I'm a vessel of love, strength, and healing. I welcome miracles into my life. I allow myself to heal fully, deeply, and completely. You have taken a powerful step towards your healing today. Remember, every time you affirm your worth, your mind, body, and spirit align in deeper harmony. Healing is not a destination. It is a journey, and you're right where you need to be. Thank you for sharing this sacred moment with me. Keep allowing, keep trusting, and keep healing. Until next time, stay gentle with yourself. You are doing beautifully.